There are some advice which we are listening since childhood. They have been said from one person to another, to another, to another, and it's been going on since eternities. And we have actually never thought about it. But if you think 10 seconds to some advice, you have to understand if that advice is actually helping you or making life easier. I'm going to talk about some advice which I feel sounds deep but does not help as they look like they do. Starting from never quit. If you have seen that video where there are multiple matchsticks standing in a row and you lit one and then the fire passes through, if one matchstick takes step away, it quits, the fire stops. And sometimes you need to understand that you're not meant for some things. Fair enough. We are all meant for different things. So quitting does not mean that you're not capable of doing anything. Quitting sometimes means that you have realized that whatever you were trying to put your foot in was not your size, and it's completely fair and okay. So you need to look at quitting with a different perspective, that it's fair. It's just you trying to go and find your own basically place where you fit in, and it's completely fine. Second is nobody's coming to help. Like I've said, Simon Sinek, great Simon Sinek has said, we are social animals, we need people, and people do come to help. Whatever you think it, like that, if you trust universe, if you trust god, they are sending people. But anyway, you need to understand or look at it, people do come to help, and I have realized it, I have felt it. And if you trust into this process, you will also realize this, that people do come to help. We are social animals, we need people to survive, we need people's help. And so for that come, sometimes we reach out, sometimes people understand, and they do come to help. Third is, if you want to, you would, or you would have. This basically ignores exhaustion, circumstances, problems, your state of mind, your availabilities, your resources, and almost everything. Sometimes I wanted to, but I was not able to, which is fair enough and understandable. If you wanted to and you don't have things right now, it's completely fine. And if you think you are the one to blame, it's completely okay. You need to understand there were different circumstances, and whatever happens happens for a reason is one of the biggest motto of my life. So I look at it that way, that whatever happens happens for a very very good and best reason of all. Fourth is that cut off everyone and just isolate yourself. Isolation does not mean success. Isolation does not mean you're going to become somebody better. We need people, we need connections, we need to talk out with each other in order to become better or grow every single day. So don't confuse yourself with isolation, because every time we try to sort of become better, the first thing we do is like cut off everybody and start working on yourself. Working on yourself is a different thing, but isolation is a complete different thing. Sometimes isolation just overstimulate your emotions and makes you feel lonely and makes you feel multiple emotions all at time, and you have nobody to go to. Like I said, we are social animals, so isolation does not mean that you're going to be successful for sure, is one thing. Next is never depend on anybody. Dependence is a very symbiotic and healthy relationship, and I have no clue why it is look up to like that. Dependence is also a very healthy thing. So if you depend on to somebody, somebody depends on to you, it's completely okay. We are social animals, we need that. So if you think there are some advice that are going to change your life eventually, change your life, apparently make things better, you need to first understand if those advice are actually going to help you or make your life harder, difficult to actually understand the whole scenario. Thank you so much. Have a great day.